Today we are going to talk about the 5 most important Uyghur table manners. Number 1. Wash your hands before you eat and never shake your hands during drying. My mom used to say this a lot to me. Did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands? At the Uyghur table, you eat lots of foods with your hands and also share these foods with other people. So it's not just for your own and their hygiene, but also shows respect. If you ask the host for washing your hands, they will feel very happy and respected. Traditionally, the host offers the water for washing your hands, and you should never ever shake your hands during the drying, especially when you are with the older generation. They might get angry, like my mom. Number 2, don't let food get cold. At the Uyghur table, depending on the food, you will get your own plate or shared plate. When you get your own plate, you could say Rahmat to the host and eat right away. When you get shared plate and hear the host say Qani marhamat or Qani tamak bekang or singishlik bolsun. There are lots of ways to say this. Enjoy your meal, then you can eat. Number 3, chewing and talking. At the Uyghur table, it's considered rude to chomp, burp, splatter, and slurp. Close your mouth when you are chewing and don't talk with your mouth full. Number 4, eat from your own side. Don't eat from other people's side when you have a shared plate. The host should take care of you by asking, would you like some tea? Did you eat enough? Do you need something? Number 5, sitting on the ground. Traditionally, we sit on the ground when we are eating. We use blessed item, dastkhan, and display all food on the dastkhan. Everybody sits around the dastkhan and we share the foods with other people. Don't put your feet, hands or your head on the dastkhan. Nowadays, lots of people use normal chairs and tables, but still, don't put your hands or your head on the dastkhan. Hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. Consider subscribing to the channel Dolan. Have a nice day and see you next week. Bye! Boys! Aman bulong!